Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn how to say together in Chinese. 一起. Here's the pinyin. 一起. Together. The first character is very simple. It's just one line. 一起. The second character, 起. It has the left part, which on the bottom section is a little stretching out to the right. And then here's another character on the top above that. 起. Here's longer than the top line. When you do this stroke, it's kind of lined up with the top one. They are two separate strokes. You cannot do this and that. That's the wrong way to do that. And the correct step is do like this. Okay. I finished the left part and the right part. Here's one stroke. And then another stroke. And last stroke, start from here and do this. 起,一起, together. Okay, let me do this again. See? And then I'm connecting here. Do this again. "一起, together. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.